Hello everyone. Hi, my name is Shepia, and you can call me Shepia or Se, whatever you want, guys. And I'm 21 years old right now, and currently in my sixth semester at Universitas Kristen Indonesia, studying at English Literature. And first, I can tell about my hobby, why I love cooking, as simple as like I can make my own creativities on the food, and then there's something magical about transforming from a simple ingredients into something delicious that brings people together, and then plus someone's face when they enjoying something I've made, it's just priceless. So why I love listening music? Maybe music can be express myself. As simple like when I'm sad, when I'm happy, when I'm falling in love, when I'm broken heart, something like that. And when I'm maybe studying, I really enjoy when I'm studying and I listen to my music. It's really enjoying and happy, of course. Yeah. And for my daily routine, especially from weekdays, from Monday to Friday, my weekdays are pretty typical for a college student. I spend most morning and afternoon on the campus attending a class, and after class end, I usually hang out with my friends and we ate together, we chat and chit chat, and then chilling, and then our favorite spot, uh, we can call Warkop, and behind campus where we spend hours talking about everything or maybe nothing. And I head home. If I have assignment due, I will work on them right away. If not, I'm usually scrolling through social media until I fall asleep. I know it's a bad habit. And yeah, for my weekdays, it's something like that. I know it's boring activities. And for my weekends are my time to recharge. On Saturday, I mostly spend in my room relaxing. I often cook for my family. It's my way of showing love. And sometimes I'm just hang out with my friends or maybe with my sister. We can also spend time sometimes. And for Sunday, especially Sunday afternoon, I reserve to church service. Faith is important to me and I enjoy being a part of the church community. Other activities, I'm fairly active in organization, especially in campus. I active in student organization, senate. The church, I'm involved with the young groups, and there sometimes there are meeting either at the campus or either at the church I always attend. Yeah, honestly, it's boring activities, I know. But yeah, this is my life, this is my activities for every day. And yeah, if I don't have another class or during holidays, I just chilling in my room, nothing extraordinary. But yeah, I'm happy with my life and I'm enjoying with my life. And I think that's it for my daily activities and my self about myself. Okay, so that's it. Bye. Thank you.